How to use Allianz Car Insurance Australia properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Car Insurance is a leading choice in Australia, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it properly. One common mistake is choosing only third-party liability coverage to save money. While it meets legal requirements, it may not cover damages to your own car. Adding comprehensive or collision coverage ensures you're fully protected, especially if your vehicle is newer or valuable. Another frequent error is mismanaging deductibles. Lower deductibles reduce out-of-pocket costs but increase premiums, while higher deductibles save money upfront but can be costly after a claim. Select a deductible that balances affordability and risk. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Life changes like moving, adding a young driver, or buying a new vehicle can affect your coverage. Not updating your Allianz policy can create gaps or even result in denied claims. Ignoring discounts is another costly mistake. Allianz offers savings for safe driving, no claims history, bundling policies, and safety features in your car. Skipping these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can delay payouts. Always report accidents promptly, document damage, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize Allianz Car Insurance Australia. Ensure proper coverage, choose the right deductible, update your policy, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This keeps you fully protected on every drive.